Solving inequalities using addition or subtraction is our section 3-4. Now, notice that we've now moved from equations to inequalities. So now we are talking about greater than, less than situations. So the first thing we want to look at is how to do the solution of an inequality. The solution is the set of all numbers that produce true statements when substituted for the variable. And solutions can be written as an inequality or as a graph. So if the solutions for a particular inequality are the values for x is, well, let's back it up. Get that, make sure you have that written down. When we did equalities, x equals 3, and we wanted to graph that on a number line, we would go to 3 and put a closed circle. What if we want x for an inequality to be greater than or equal to 3? Remember, the bar underneath means equal to and greater than 3. Now I want all of the numbers starting with 3 and anything bigger than that, so to the right. So that's how I'm going to graph greater than or equal to 3. What if I want the numbers just greater than 3? So I don't want to include 3, but I want everything to the right. Now that doesn't mean starting with 4. That means starting with 3.00000001. Even numbers smaller than that. As long as it's greater than 3, even a teeny bit greater than 3, I want to include it. So I'm going to put an open circle here to say that I'm going to come really close to 3 but not include it, and then put my arrow to the right. So here are my three situations. Equal is just a closed dot. Greater than and equal to is a closed dot to the right. Just greater than is an open circle to the right. What about our less thans? Again, x equals is the same. X is less than or equal to 3. Again, we're including 3. So I want a closed circle there, but now I want numbers smaller than 3 to the left. Whoops, sorry. And what about x is just less than 3, not equal to it? So again, I don't want to include the 3 this time. Open circle and to the left. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of others and deal with a little bit of a solution here. So adding and subtraction properties of inequality. If you add or subtract the same number on each side of an inequality, we produce an equivalent inequality. So let's do an example. And again, please pause so you can get all this written down. X plus 3 is greater than or equal to 4. So I'm going to solve this just like it's an equation by subtracting 3 from both sides. So x is greater than or equal to 1. That's my solution. I now am going to show it graphically. Greater than or equal to 1 means I'm including 1 in my solution because of the equal to bar, and I'm going to the right, greater than. All right, let's do one more. X minus 2 is less than negative 4. So again, solve it just like this is an equal sign. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides. X is less than negative 2. Notice that it's not equal to negative 2, it's just less than negative 2. So I'm going to go to negative 2. I'm not going to include it, but I'm going to do everything to the left of it. Okay? So what I want you to do now is to solve each inequality and graph the solution. I'm going to give you 2, and I want you to try both of these, and we'll do them at the beginning of class. So pause the video, put these 2 problems in your notes, do the best you can, watch your signs here on this second one, and then we'll go over them first thing at the beginning of class. And that's it for this video.